Hello everyone and welcome to Property Technical, the channel where we discuss various things about properties and how this information can benefit you. I'm Adil and today we will be talking about the $25,000 government grant, and I will do so in under 5 minutes. So first thing first, who is giving this grant? Well, it is the Australian government who's giving this grant. People of other countries live long and prosper. $25,000, that's a lot of money. What is this grant for? Well, it is to buy a new home or to renovate your existing home. Simple. Or is it? Well, it is a government grant, so there is a little asterisk somewhere where it says conditions apply. Well, there are conditions, and I will go through the eligibility criteria to see if you qualify for this $25,000 grant. So the first point is, exactly as the government website says, that you have to be a natural person. That's right, cyborgs need not apply. Now what it means is, a natural person is a person like you and me, a regular human being. But it is legal for companies or trust structures to own a property as well. So you may be living in a house that is owned by a company, you may not know. So those properties do not qualify for this grant. Second point, you have to be over 18 to qualify for this grant. So kids watching this video, sorry, you're out of luck. So the third thing, exactly as they ask, is that on the day that you make the application for this grant, you have to be an Australian citizen. The day before, you could be anybody, they don't care. Next point. The property must have your name on the title. Meaning, if you have an uncle and you want to apply for this $25,000 grant because you will renovate his house or something like that, no. Uncle Bob will have to apply for himself. You apply for your own house. That's how it works. Next point is to do with income. If you're single, you must not be earning more than $25,000 a year, or for couples, it must not be over $200,000. Meaning, millionaire playboys need not apply, but broke playboys can. Next thing is about the time duration. So the contract, when you sign to get the new house built or to start the renovation contract, it had to have started after 4th of June 2020, or you have to sign before 31st December 2020. So if they're going like 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, Happy New Year 2021, you're late. Next, they're giving this $25,000 grant for newly built property as well. But the house and land together must not cost more than $750,000. This is unfortunate because in Sydney, most of the newly built properties are over $750,000. So the next point is about renovation. So they are giving the $25,000 grant towards renovation. So someone might be thinking, Mom, you always wanted that new kitchen. I'm going to get you a new kitchen for $25,000. Well, no. They are giving $25,000 towards your renovation, but they want the total value of the renovation to be $150,000 or above. So mom's not only getting a new kitchen, but probably the bathroom's getting redone, new floors, maybe the whole house is getting painted, and so on and so forth, until you've spent $125,000 and the $25,000 the government is going to give you. And the next point is about the value of the property that you're renovating. Imagine someone lives in a $4 million mansion and they're getting a little bit of work done, which costs over $150,000, and they're applying for $25,000 grant. Unfortunately, no, that's not going to work. The maximum value of the property cannot exceed $1.5 million, which is actually quite nice. If you have an old property worth $1.5 million and you're going to spend $150,000 renovating it, you can actually spruce it up very nicely, and you're getting the $25,000 government grant, which is about 16% of your renovation budget. Very nice. So these are all the criteria in a nutshell, but of course, This is a government thing, so of course there's more to it than that. In this video, I mostly discussed eligibility criteria that are applicable to the state of New South Wales. Other states may have different criteria. By all means, please do check. I've left a link in the description below that takes you to the treasury.gov.au website, and there you have links to each state and what the criteria are. So, if you do qualify for this $25,000 government grant, congratulations. Enjoy your new home or newly renovated property, and I shall see you in the next video. Until then, you take care of yourself.